Hello, and welcome to this EWDX Wireless Planner walkthrough. Let's take a look at designing an EWDX system using Sennheiser Wireless Planner. Let's start by selecting your system, in this case, EWDX. Here, we can select the region where the system will be installed. You will then need to select the frequency variation you plan on using in that region. We have included links to our CIFA tool for spectrum planning, as well as Soundbase, an invaluable tool for frequency planning and more. We can now click Next. Here, we can pick the receiver type that suits your installation needs, choosing from EM2, EM2 Dante, and EM4 Dante. We'll select two EM4 Dantes, giving us a maximum of 8 channels of EWDX, shown above your selection. Now choose your preferred transmitter type, from handhelds, body packs and table stands. We'll select 4 SKM handheld mics without switches, and have them all fitted with MMD 835 capsules. Then we'll select 4 3.5mm connector SK body packs, together with 2 corresponding HS2 head mics and 2 NKE1 lavaliers. Because the EWDX SKM handheld and SK body packs are powered by AA batteries as standard, we're going to upgrade all 8 transmitters to the BA70 rechargeable battery for easier power management via Control Cockpit. Next, you can select the charging solution that fits your system. For our microphone selections, we're going to select one CHG70NC with power supply, and then cascade 3 additional CHG70NCs from that to cover all of our SKM handhelds and SK body packs. Now we can select the appropriate antennas, splitters, cables and mount kits for our system. For our simple 8-channel system, we'll select 2 ADP UHF paddles, 2 patch cables for cascading our EM4s, and 2 longer cables to run to our antennas. Finally, you'll see a full summary of your design, a region, frequency and system overview, and an itemized bill of materials, including product names and article numbers, with links to spec sheets and product pages, all downloadable as PDF or CSV files. You'll also find the Get Quote link here to connect directly with our skilled sales and technical teams. And that's it. Your system is ready, planned in minutes and ready for action. All that's left to do, and perhaps most importantly, is drop your details into the contact form so that we can get in touch and help fine-tune your requirements and work on an accurate quote for your project.